And good day. Today we're having a look at this. This is the Insta360 One R. This is the twin edition. I've got the 4K module fitted. And can you see something missing? Well, I certainly can. Nothing to protect the lens. I mean, that'll get scratched to billio if you throw that in a bag. That's why I came up with two different designs. This particular one and another one with a little lanyard hole in it. Both of them just simply pop over the top and they fit in there quite nicely, as you can see. This is also made out of TPU, so it's flexible, same as this one, flexible. And there you go. Fits in quite nice. And I can throw the camera into a bag and it won't get damaged. So that's basically all I've got to show. The file itself, the STL file, will be listed down below in the comments. Feel free to grab it and print it out. If you do print it out, please give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. If you don't like it, just give me a thumbs down, but at least give me a reason why you don't like it. I'd appreciate that as well. If you haven't subscribed, please consider. And if you already have, well, I may see you on the very next video. All the very best. Take care. Till then. Bye.